The surprise launches of Huawei are still in full swing. Previously, the Chinese brand silently launched the Huawei Mate 60 Pro. Huawei didn't make any formal announcement regarding it. Instead, the device just randomly popped up in the Huawei Mall, the brand's official online store. Now the Huawei Mate X5 has made an appearance in the mall. Huawei Mate X5 is the new side foldable smartphone. With this launch, Huawei skipped the Mate X4 and directly jumped from the Mate X3. Starting from the front, the Huawei Mate X5 has a 6.4-inch OLED LTPO external display that offers a resolution of 2504 x 1080 pixels, a 20.9:9 aspect ratio, up to a 300 Hz touch sampling rate, and Kunlun glass. On the inside, the device features a 7.85-inch foldable OLED LTPO display that produces a resolution of 2496 x 2224 pixels, an 8:7.1 aspect ratio, and up to 240 Hz touch sampling rate. Both screens also support a 1 Hz 120 Hz refresh rate, 10-bit colors, P3 color gamut, and 1440 Hz high-frequency dimming. For security, it has a side-facing fingerprint scanner. There is no information available about the chipset that powers the Huawei Mate X5. It appears that it is also powered by the Kirin 9000S, which is also present under the hood of the Mate 60 series. Also, it is unclear whether the device supports 5G connectivity. It comes equipped with 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage. The Mate X5 has an 8-megapixel camera on the front. Its rear camera setup includes a 50-megapixel main camera, a 13-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 12-megapixel periscope telephoto camera with OIS support. Like the Mate 60 series, the device runs on Harmony OS 4.0. The Huawei Mate X5 packs a 5060 mAh battery that supports 66-watt wired charging and 50-watt wireless charging. The other features that are available on the Mate X5 include dual SIM and NM card slot, Wi-Fi 800 and 2.11 AC, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, dual-frequency GPS, NFC, 2D face unlock, a USB-C, USB 3.1 Gen 1, two-way satellite connectivity, and IPX8 rated water resistance. The device measures 156.9 x 72.4 x 11.08 millimeters in the folded state and 156.9 x 141.5 x 5.3 millimeters in the unfolded state. The device weighs around 245 grams. The Huawei Mate X5 comes in two variants, such as 12 GB of RAM plus 512 GB of storage and 16 GB of RAM plus 512 GB of storage. It comes in shades like Feather Black, Feather White, Feather Gold, Green Mountain Dye, and Phantom Purple. The purple and green variants have plain leather on their backs, whereas the other color variants have glass back. Huawei is also offering the Mate X5 Collector's Edition in variants such as 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage, or 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage. The prices of the Mate X5 series is yet to be confirmed. The Mate X5 and its Collector's Edition are on pre-sale at a Huawei Mall with a deposit of 1,000 yuan, around $136. It is expected to go on sale September 15. At this time, there is no information about the Mate X5's global availability for now. That's it for today. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.